Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best macaroni salad recipe. First, select a good quality elbow macaroni. It's ideal for soaking up all that delicious dressing. Cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 7 to 8 minutes, to ensure it holds up well. Immediately after cooking, rinse the pasta thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and keeps the noodles from clumping together, giving you that perfect base for your salad. Now let's create the heart of our macaroni salad, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, incorporate 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed. These add a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, season your dressing with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, mixing until everything is smooth and well combined. With our dressing ready, it's time to add some fresh, crisp ingredients. Finely dice 1/2 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of red onion, and 1/4 cup of your favorite bell pepper for a delightful crunch and color. For an extra layer of richness and texture, chop 2 hard-boiled eggs and add them to the mix. Now, gently combine all these fresh additions with your cooled pasta and the creamy dressing, ensuring every noodle is coated evenly. After mixing, cover your macaroni salad and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together, creating a truly harmonious taste. Before serving, give it a good stir and taste it, adjusting any seasonings like salt or pepper if necessary. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. Also, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, you'll find a link to a fantastic resource there too. Enjoy your delicious homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.